chicken Taltaley Jhol, Bengali style chicken curry. নুন ঠিক আছে? Taltaley Jhol recipe is in this video. Keep watching. Heat a pan and add some mustard oil. Take some whole spices, which is garam masala. There is some dry red chilies, cinnamon, pepper, cardamom, cloves, and bay leaves. Add 2 sliced onions. Add some salt to taste. Add a pinch of sugar. Cook this till translucent. Add 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon garlic paste. Add 4 chopped tomatoes, 5 slit green chilies, a little salt to taste. Add your spices, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. If you want it a little spicy, I'm adding half a teaspoon of red chili powder. A pinch of pepper powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder. Add a little water. Now cook this till the oil separates. The oil has separated. I'm adding a cup of dahi. Make the flame low. There's a mental block where people think tomato and dahi will make it sour. Just trust the process. You won't regret it. Try it like this once, and then you can always make your adjustments. The oil has separated. Add a kilo of chicken, curry cut chicken, and I'm adding 3 potatoes. I don't fry it because I think this makes it softer. Now saute this for 5 minutes on medium to high flame. Now the oil has separated. I'm going to add the water now. I'm adding some hot water now. Make sure the chicken and the potato is covered. Although it looks watery, the fun part is the thin gravy, and this gravy is going to be extremely flavorful. So a lot of people think that because the gravy is so thin, it will not be flavorful. Like I said, try it the way I've mentioned it and you will love it. When the water comes to a boil, cover it. Put your flame on low and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. Basically till the potato is totally boiled and melts in your mouth. Chicken will cook faster, but trust the process, 15 to 20 minutes minimum. I'll see you when the chicken is done. 20 minutes are over. It smells amazing. This is my ultimate comfort food. Add a little coriander leaves if you like it. Add a little garam masala. Add some ghee. chicken taltaley jhol, as in murgir patla jhol. Typical Bengali chicken curry is ready. Switch off your stove, cover it, let it rest for about 2 minutes and then serve it with hot rice. Chicken taltaley jhol, Bengali style chicken curry. This is our lunch today, and there is chicken at taltaley jhol. You want this first, no?
ঘুমোবো আজকে টালটালে ঝোল দিয়ে ভাত খেয়ে
Chicken taltaley jhol. I made it yesterday, and
কিন্তু আলু
আলু দিচ্ছি, ঝোল নাই, এটা টালটাল করছে ঝোল।
লাভলে
লেবু দেবো?
দে
লেবু পেঁয়াজ আর। So this is our lunch today. There is rice, dal, tangra fish, kurkure bhindi, lal shak, begun bhaja. I didn't say it in order. We both are dying to take a nap. It's hot.
Yeah, wait. I think I'll need some more rice.
আর একটু ভাত লাগবে। Whenever I make this, you have extra rice.
Yeah, okay.
এটাতে তোমার একটু ভাত বেশি হয়ে যায়।
ভীষণ ভাত খাওয়া বেশি হয়ে যাবে বুঝতে পারছি।
Taltaley jhol is all about the bhat.
Tell me about it. ঝোল আর আলু
নুন ঠিক আছে? So anyway, while having the taltaley jhol, my mother has taken some of my rice also. What is your lunch?